Hey guys, we got an unboxing today of the MyBook 1 terabyte hard drive. So, let's see. Alright. So, in the box there's the hard drive, something else. Alright, so there's the thing. Videos, I don't know. What's this? What else? MyBook Studio. So, quick start guide, I guess. Yeah, and this one's for Mac. This is a thing. Oh, it's found somewhere. It looks like there's cables and... Hold on, let me stop that. Where is it? I don't know where it is. Oh well. So we got a FireWire, I'm guessing 800? Yeah. FireWire 800 is this. So it's probably FireWire 900, I guess. And this is an adapter for it. It goes like that. In the back, there's a USB FireWire connections. So let's see how this goes. USB 2.0. Oh wait. This is a FireWire 800. This is probably a FireWire 600 down there. Or some 100. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay. So, we'll see. Thank you for watching.